Good medical morning. Today we're going to talk about your digestive system. And stick around because at the end of the video, we're going to tell you about a really neat digestive aid. So did you know that stomach and digestive problems affect more than 75% of Americans? One of these digestive problems is known as ulcerative colitis. Let's take a look. Ulcerative colitis is an inflammatory bowel disease that causes long-lasting inflammation and ulcers in your digestive tract. Another common gastrointestinal issue is IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome.
So IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome, is a very common condition. It probably affects about 20% of the U.S. population. Patients, when they do have IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome, experience abdominal pain, as well as changes in their bowel habits, be it either constipation or diarrhea, or sometimes patients may experience a combination of both.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are literally hundreds of other digestive disorders. Fortunately, there's a really good product on the market today that can help you if you have digestive issues. It's called Australian Excellence. Both Australian Probiotic Excellence and Australian Digestive Excellence can really help you in those times of need. The product helps with gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, upset stomach, and pretty much every GI problem you can imagine. I take it, I think it's a good product, and my friend Destiny, who has ulcerative colitis, has found this to be a godsend. So there you go, folks. I'll go ahead and put information and a product link in the description below. Go ahead and subscribe for new videos every week and check out this Australian digestive miracle. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam and this is Westside Hospital.